information to figure out where the Happy Hounds Hula Hut is coming, you can go to www.happyhoundshulahut.com. You can see it in the summer because that's when we're coming. Happy Hounds Hula Hut, where your dog comes first.